Namaste children, welcome back. As you know, PA4 will commence from 25th of March till 31st, okay? And we'll be having 3 lessons for PA4. Which are those lessons? 5th lesson, The Golden Bucket, 6th lesson, Christmas Song, and 7th lesson, I Love My Home. Okay, and in grammar, we'll be having pronoun and articles. Meanwhile, children, we had sent you Google form of reading skills and listening skills. Most of you have sent that, but still few more children have to send the Google form of listening skills and reading skills. Please send it fast. And even speaking skills, I have received only few videos. Okay, make it fast, children. Today we are going to revise all the 3 lessons. Okay, all the 3 lessons along with the grammar topics. Now what you have to do? You have to take out your textbook. Okay, we are going to revise few mains from this exercises. Okay, page number 53 from the lesson The Golden Bucket. Now we will revise pronouns. Okay, in page number 53, I main, we have fill in the blanks with words from the box. Okay, in the box we have he, we, you, she and they. What are they? They are called as pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronoun are the words used instead of nouns or in place of nouns. Okay, children. Now, first one. Have dash seen my new storybook? So, which is the pronoun you use here? You. Have you seen my new storybook? Second one. Ravi is my brother. Dash is 10 years old. So we use the pronoun he. Okay, we use the pronoun he. Ravi is my brother. He is 10 years old. Look at that lady in the yellow sari. Dash is my aunt. So for female, for girls, for ladies, what do you use? You use she. For men, for boys, what do you use? You use he. Here, look at that lady in yellow sari. Dash is my aunt. So you use the pronoun she. She is my aunt. Alia is my sister. Dash are twins. Alia is my sister. Dash are twins. We are twins. Asha and Roma are in the park. Dash are playing on the slide. Asha and Roma. We are speaking about 2 people. So what do we use? We use the pronoun they. Asha and Roma are in the park. They are playing on the slide. Now we'll go to the next lesson, Christmas song. Take out page number 64. Who said these words? Write the names on the blanks. In the exam, you will be getting like read the extract and answer the following questions. Okay, children. Now we'll see the first one. I will show you the pretty green muffler around my neck. Who said this? Old grey cat, isn't it? I will show you the pretty green muffler around my neck. It was told by old grey cat, sorry. I don't want to see the spot on your tail. I don't want to see the spot on your tail. Who said this? Robin Redbreast. Robin Redbreast told this to old fox, isn't it? I will give you some crumbs. Who told this? The small boy said this to Robin Redbreast. I am flying straight to the king. Who said this? Robin Redbreast. Okay. We can find him a friend. This was told by the queen. Let us find out from our helpers. Who said this? The king said this to the queen. Okay. Now we'll go to the next page, children. Page number 65. Fill in the blanks with he and she words from the box. So in the box, they have given horse, lioness, boy, mare, prince, tiger, cock, niece, lion, aunt, uncle, hen, princess, nephew, tigress and girl. So here you will be given two columns, okay? One is male and the other one is female. So first one is horse. So where will you write that? You will write in male column, isn't it? Horse. Then corresponding to that, what will you write? The other gender of horse is what? Male. So you will be writing male. Then lioness. In which column you will write this, children? In female. Female gender, isn't it? Lioness. And the other in the other column, what you will write? Lion. Lion, lioness. Okay. Then boy, girl. So like that you have to write, children. So you will be given two columns. You have to write it accordingly. Okay. Now take out page number 68. Now we'll learn about articles. Okay. We use a before a naming word that does not begin with a vowel sound. Which are the vowels? As you know, A, E, I, O and U are vowels. So those words which does not begin with vowels, we write articles A. And for those words which begin with vowels A, E, I, O and U, we write articles an. Okay, we use an before a naming word that begins with a vowel sound A, E, I, O and U. Okay, now fill in the blanks with a or an, dash and dash down. So dash and because a is a vowel, isn't it? Ant. A is a vowel, so we use article an ant and dash down. D is a consonant, it's not a vowel, so we use a. Okay, an ant and a dove. Dash grasshopper and dash elephant. A grasshopper and an elephant. Dash goose and dash egg. Goose, it's a consonant. G is a consonant, so we use article a. A goose and an egg. Because E is vowel, we use an egg. Next is dash ox and dash frog. An ox and a frog. Okay. Fifth one, dash cat and dash mouse. It is a cat and a mouse. A cat and a mouse. Sixth one, dash washerman and dash donkey. A washerman and a donkey. Okay, children. Next main, write a or an to complete these sentences. My aunt's name is Mrs. Kokila Sen. She is dash teacher. She is a teacher. There is dash owl sitting in the tree. There is an there is an owl sitting in the tree. Yasmin had dash idli and dash apple for breakfast. Yasmin had an idli and an apple for breakfast. My grandma bought me dash bicycle. It is a bicycle. Dash ant is dash insect. An ant is an insect. Okay. Have you seen dash ostrich? Have you seen an ostrich? Okay. Now we'll go to the next lesson. I love my home. In this, we will revise B main. Write true or false. This is page number 77. Write true or false. Varun and Arif were friends. Varun and Arif were friends. It is true. You should write down true. Arif's mother did not cook food. Is this true? No, it's false. Write down false. Varun liked to be with Arif. Varun liked to be with Arif. So it's a true sentence. So you have to write true. Varun spent the night at Arif's house. Did he spend the night in Arif's house? No, it is false. Varun and Arif played and read a book. Yes, it is true. Varun missed his mother. Yes, you have to write it is true. Next, children, in page number 78, email. Read these sentences. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of the underlined words. Use words from the box. So you have to write the opposite for the word which is underlined. Okay. In the box they have given win, happy, cold, far and foolish. Arif was sad when his toy broke. He was dash when mummy bought a new one. So sad is underlined here. So what is the opposite of sad? It is happy. He was happy when mummy bought a new one. It is very hot in summer and dash in winter. Hot. Opposite of hot is cold. So you have to write there cold. It is very hot in summer and cold in winter. The bus stand is near my house but the airport is dash. The bus stand is near. Near is underlined here. So what is the opposite of near? It is far. The bus stand is near my house but the airport is far. The rabbit was very clever. Clever is underlined. So what is the opposite of clever? Foolish. He made the dash lion jump into the well. He made the foolish lion jump into the well. Rupa does not want to lose the race. If she runs fast, she will dash it. So what is the opposite of lose? It is win. If she runs fast, she will win it. Okay, children? Fine. Now, all the best, children. Do well in PA4. Okay? Thank you.